Hey guys, Leah here from Unbox, and I'm in New York City for the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I feel very privileged because I was also here last year for the launch of the Note 8, and I must say, back then I was really impressed by the device. So, is the Note 9 just as impressive as the Note 8? Let's find out. So join me in this hands-on and quick review. To begin with, the Note 9 has a bigger battery at 4000 mAh versus the Note 8's 3300 mAh battery. This should be enough juice to last you the whole day without having to worry about running out of power while you're stuck in traffic on your way home. This is a Samsung phone with the biggest battery to date. As expected of flagship devices, it supports fast charging, but it tops up the device 21% faster than the previous model. And of course, wireless charging is also an option. You're also getting a slightly bigger display than the Note 8 at 6.4 inches versus last year's 6.3 inches. It still has the edge-to-edge infinity display with a Super AMOLED panel that Samsung is known for, and it doesn't have a notch. We can already hear some of you rejoicing as you watch this video. The dimensions of the Note 9 are slightly wider than the Note 8, probably to accommodate the bigger battery. But honestly, the difference is just too small. You have to really stare and look for it to even notice. For example, the frame of the Note 9 has been slightly chamfered and the bezels on the screen are slightly slimmer. I guess the biggest difference is the fingerprint scanner placement, which thankfully is now easier to reach without smudging up your cameras. Speaking of which, the shooters of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 are the same as the S-series devices launched earlier this year. The rear shooters are dual 12-megapixel cameras with an aperture of f1.5 and f2.4. They're now AI-enhanced with 20 scene detection options. Just point the camera to the person or object that you want to shoot, and it will automatically adjust the setting to make sure that your photo looks its best. The front camera is at 8 megapixels at an f-stop of f1.7, and most of the features on the S9 also make a comeback, but the AR emojis are now more customizable with added backgrounds to further personalize messages with your friends. One of the defining features of the Note series is the S Pen, and for this year's iteration, it's now connected to your phone via Bluetooth, allowing them to add some pretty cool functions. For those of you who enjoy taking pictures like I do, you can now use the S Pen to snap that shot even if you're far away from your phone. Just double-click the button to flip the camera from rear to front, and a single press will take the picture. It has a range of 10 meters and can last up to 30 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. Speaking of charging, all you need is 40 seconds to charge it fully. Just to add to the cuteness factor, the S Pen comes in different colors. It comes in yellow and black, metallic copper. Of course, it depends on the color variant of the Note 9 that you choose. If you want extras or happen to lose yours, don't worry, you can buy them separately at Samsung stores. For its internals, we're getting the same Exynos 9810 that was on the S9 and S9 Plus, a move that we were already expecting. This is paired with either 6GB or a generous 8GB of RAM, another first for the company. Respectively, this is paired with 128GB of storage or a whopping 512GB at the top variant. It's not likely that you'll need to expand on this further, but you can, and it supports up to a 512GB micro SD card as well. If you're a bit of a gamer and are eyeing the Note 9, we have good news for you. It now has a better cooling system, care of a heat pipe, so you can play for longer without having to worry about your phone overheating. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 has all the things that users have been asking for. Big battery? Check. Good cameras with AI? Check. Fast processor and huge storage? Check. Accessible fingerprint scanner placement? Check. But honestly, it's not a huge technological leap from its predecessors. While there are changes, you'll have to really look for it.
I guess the only question now is, should you upgrade? The team talked about it and the consensus is yes, if you haven't upgraded your phone in a while.
As of making this video, the price of the Note 9 has not yet been disclosed. But basing off the pricing of previous Samsung flagships, this device will not come cheap. For many people, buying it will have a considerable financial impact. Samsung did partner with credit card companies so you can pay for it on installment at 0% interest. You should also consider it if you're up for recontraction with your telco. We should have an article up on the site with the pricing and pre-order offers. We will link it on the description down below.
And that's it for this video of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. For the latest tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines, head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. This is Leia. Bye!